The newest social welfare program designed to help stamp out hunger among the poor and indigents and prevent stunted growth among children is set to kick off next month after the president green-lighted its trial run or pilot testing today. Our Melalas Moras has more on government's food stamp program dubbed Walang Gutom 2027.
As part of the administration's thrust to combat poverty, malnutrition, and hunger, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. approved today the pilot testing of Walang Gutom 2027 or the food stamp program of the government. According to DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian, they will implement a multi-sectoral approach to ensure the effectivity of this project.
The President approved the run of the pilot, which is fully funded through grants. Grants from the ADB, JICA, and the French Development Agency. So that will be $3 million all in all. There's a provision to expand it. ADB is still working on other trust funds so that we can expand the pilot. But other than that, it's all green lights go na.
Under the food stamp program, authorities will provide food vouchers that the bottom 1 million households can use to purchase nutritious food. This time, the president also instructed the DSWD to include single parents, pregnant and lactating mothers to the list of beneficiaries to address the stunting problem in the country. Secretary Gatchalian said after the pilot run, the full implementation will shortly follow.
We are doing the pilot so that we don't end up with wasteful spending. We want to make sure that when we do expand the program on its regular run, even if the President already approved it, we want to learn from the pilot and we want to start right. Ang marching order ng Pangulo, dapat malabanan natin ang stunting at ang kagutuman, pagsanib puwersa ng mga iba't ibang programa ng gobyerno para hindi sila piece by piece ang turing sa mga programa.
Meanwhile, Health Secretary Teodoro Herbosa said they are in full support for the food stamp program.
Make sure that the food that is given is of nutritional value. So that's our role. So we have the National Nutrition Council, the FNRI that can actually take care of studying this.
Apart from fighting hunger, the government also continues efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The DOH said they have started to distribute the 390,000 doses of bivalent COVID-19 vaccines which the country received from COVAX recently to different parts of the country.
We're also negotiating to acquire more. There are more that want to donate. There are probably some procurement that we need to do. So meron lang snag and issues kasi nawala yung public health emergency na eh. So the issues of the vaccine in terms of the EUA. So to procure it, kailangan marehistro siya sa ating FDA.
Meanwhile, on providing enough benefits to our healthcare workers, the DOH has this to say.
I'll get on top of this because I feel the nurses are our real priority. And I'm going to tell this on national TV. I really love the nurses because they are our healthcare system. Sila ang nag-aalaga sa inyo pag na-hospital kayo. Sila yung nasa tabi nyo 24/7. Kaming doktor, hindi naman eh. So I really think that if nurses need to be paid, they should be paid.
Melalas Moras for the Nation.